Hi everyone, this is my oral presentation, English Level 2. The first of all, I will to talk a little about myself. The second, I will to tell you about my experience in Medellin. Third, I will talk about the weather in Medellin. And fourth, I will give you some recommendations if you go to Medellin. Okay, let's start. My name is Laura Andrea Reyes Ortega. I am 22 years old. I am married. I have a 1 year old son. I live with my husband and my son. I love my family. I love spending time with them. I'm going to the park with my son. I love watching movies and series. I have a puppy that I love too much. Okay. My vacation in Medellin. State number 1. Last month I went to Medellin. I stayed there for 1 week and went with my husband and my son. I liked it because we were with our best friend and my son traveled for the first time by plane. I went to the Hacienda Nápoles. We went to many museum park. I love sharing with my family. I came back 2 days ago because I started working on Monday. Stage 2. The weather in Medellin changed. Some days it's raining, other days very sunny with wind, but most of the time it's sunny. It is something recommended to keep you warm and carry an umbrella in case it rains because it's my favorite weather. But it's my favorite weather. Recommendation Stage 3. Recommendation to visit Medellin. They should always wear comfortable clothes that are appropriate for the place to visit. It is important that you visit only safe places. It's better that you buy a passport to enjoy the park. It is important that you take a picture of everything. What you should do and what you shouldn't do. People should carry weather. People shouldn't tour the town and learn about typical food. 3. People should wear the right clothes. What the people shouldn't do. People shouldn't do litter on the street. 2. People shouldn't neglect their belongings. 3. People shouldn't forget to carry their identification card and passport. Thank you, everyone.